Hello, this is our grading platform. The competitions that were submitted throughout the month of January. Um, Once it's submitted, it goes to our grading system, which we call SlateGrade. So this is how it looks like. Basically, this account is the examiner account. All the writing tests that were submitted comes into the examiner's account, and the examiner assigns it to graders. And you can see we have, first of all, the examiner and the graders, they just see the name of the test, the subject, the name of the user, the educational level, and the test category. And if they want to reassign it to another grader, they can click the button and reassign it. But what I wanted us to see is the fact that it's blinded grading. The name of the person that took the test is not included. So this is the name of the grader. So one grader and two people have to grade. So one grader gave this person 8/36. And if I click here, I'll see the breakdown of the grading. And then another grader gave the candidate 7. Now, it's important that two people grade because we want to be sure that the inter-rater variability is not significant. So what we're going to do, we're going to accept this score because the variation between the two scores is just 1. So we will go ahead and accept this score for this particular candidate. Okay, and so once it's accepted, it will say that this score is accepted. And if for any reason we need to reassign this test to another grader, we just click reassign and we give it to another grader. Okay, but we're still doing QC because when I looked at some of the scores, I discovered that there were some significant variation in some scores. For instance, this grader gave this candidate 14, and then this grader gave the candidate 4. So we're trying to find out what happened here because the variation is significant. So this is why we are not releasing the results. We have to do QC for the writing test to make sure that we validate all the scores, make sure that there are no errors before we release the results. But we'll go ahead and take a look at the multiple choice test, and we'll probably release the result because it's graded automatically. Okay.